It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Californian Soil by London Grammar. Okay, so this is a very easy song. We're gonna play it with 4 basic chords without the capo. So yay! To those of you that don't have capos, which you should have, but okay. So the first chord is an A major, and then we go to G to D. This is the A minor, G to D. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. And then it then changes to play na, 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 na. Okay, so that's C. Na, 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 na. C, na, D, and then A major. Na, 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 na. And then we go back. There's like an interlude between the verses, which is the same as the first part that we played, and then we're already in the second verse. I'm young, I'm old, what, and it's the same chords, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords though, you can check out my chord video. It is in the description below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.